First day at the school conversation. Let's speak and practice some homonyms.
Good morning, class. Welcome back. I hope you all had a wonderful summer. Today, we have two new friends joining us, Sarah and Alex. Let's all give them a big hello.
Hello, Sarah and Alex.
Hi everyone.
Hey there.
Sarah, Alex, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourselves? Sarah, what's something you enjoy doing in your free time?
Well, I really like drawing, and I love playing with my dog Max.
Drawing is such a cool hobby. Thanks for sharing. How about you, Alex?
Hey, I'm Alex. I'm into soccer, big time. And over the summer, my family and I went camping by this awesome southern lake. We had a great time.
Soccer is so much fun, and camping sounds like an adventure. I'm glad you both had a great summer. Okay, everyone, let's make sure to welcome Sarah and Alex warmly and get to know them better. Who wants to ask our new friends a question? Yes, Robertson.
Sarah, what's your favorite thing to draw?
I love drawing animals, especially cats and dogs.
Oh great. Alex, what's your favorite soccer team?
Oh, definitely Liverpool.
Great choice. Alright, everyone, let's keep the questions coming. Make sure Sarah and Alex feel right at home here. Yes, Endo?
Sarah, how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have one brother and one sister.
Are you the oldest?
Oh, no, I am the youngest. My brother Sam is the oldest. He is 21 years old.
What about you, Alex? How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have one sister. I don't have any brothers. And I am the oldest.
Sarah, what's your favorite subject?
I like art, English, and math, but my favorite is art.
What about you, Alex?
My favorite lesson is definitely sport. What about you, Robertson?
Oh great. Sport is my favorite too.
Okay, class, continue with Alex and Sarah at the break and let them enjoy with you. Now let's start our lesson. Who can tell me what day is it today?
It's Tuesday.
Very good. Okay, what date is it, Sarah?
It's September the 1st.
Great, Sarah.
Teacher, may I ask you a question?
Yes, please.
What does that word mean?
Listen and repeat after me. Unfortunately.
Unfortunately.
I didn't understand. Can you repeat? Please.
Definitely. Let's learn how to spell it together. Unfortunately. Unfortunately, please write it down.
Excuse me, teacher, I don't have a pencil. May I borrow one from my classmate?
Yes, you may. Today we are going to learn some words in English that have the same sound but different meanings. There are many words like this, but we will learn today 10 of them. For example, stairs and stairs. Who knows similar words? Yes, Endo.
Wait and wait.
Good job, Endo. Let's continue and don't forget to write them down. Wait. And wait. Band. And band. Break. And break. Ant. And ant. Close. And clothes. Beat. And beat. Jeans. And jeans. Great. And great. Loan. And loan.
Quiz time. Do your best. What is the correct word? What about the second one? What do you think about this word? What about this one? Now, number 5, what's the answer? And this one, what is the correct answer? Now, number 7, what do you think? Try this one. Can you guess? Number 9 chose the right answer. And the last one, what do you think? What is your score? Write on the comments. Thanks for watching.